Good day guys, Drone Page here. So another episode again. So this is our Tiny Boop, the Mobile 8 from Happy Model. So I decided to upgrade the external RX receiver. Okay, we will install the EP2 receiver from Happy Model. So I gonna upgrade because the Mobile 8 have the built-in receiver. Okay, because I have an issues before in my Mobile 8 for the RX loss. So I decided to upgrade. So I will show you guys on how to install and how to bind, okay, with this Mobile 8 in the EP2 receiver. So without further ado, let's gonna start soon. But I'm gonna show you this EP2RX have built-in upgraded 3.01 ALRS version. So let's take and open this. Okay, so you can purchase this guys around $15 to upgrade your strength signal. So this is comes inside, okay, if you purchase this. So this receiver have built-in antenna, okay, ceramic antenna. So no need to put another antenna, okay. One thing that problem, this receiver don't have wire, okay, to connect in the flight controller on your Mobile 8. So you need also, if you have all the wire, you can use it, okay. I have wire before from my fast receiver, okay. So I gonna use in this EP2, okay, to connect in my flight controller. So you need only the 4, the RX, TX, the ground, and the 5 volts, okay. Just solder the TX, RX, the 5 volts, and the ground. So let's start guys. Let's install it. Let's go. Okay, so we remove the flight controller guys for easy soldering. Just solder the receiver in this place, okay. Just see in the arrow the diagram of the soldering method, okay. Just pretty easy. Solder the 4 wires, the TX, RX, ground, and 5 volts, okay. I think this is the better way to upgrade the signal strength of our Mobile 8, okay, than purchase another one. So let's go and install it. Okay guys, so it's done about the soldering method, okay, with our EP2 RX external receiver, okay. So I just solder it, the 4 wires, okay, as you see in my diagram at the first on my video, okay. So let's go guys and return it. Okay, so it's done guys about upgrading our external RX in our Mobula 8. So as you see, it's installed now, and maybe I will fix this later. I will put inside, okay, to avoid crash, okay, and especially on the air. So I'm using, by the way, the 450 milliamperes, okay, D2S. So let's try this, and we will jump to the beta flight for the setup. Just follow what I'm doing, guys. So it's light green, success. Okay, so just go to the beta flight, guys. Select the port and go to the serial RX, okay? Just on and save and reboot, okay? Then second, go to the receiver. Okay, so receiver, just select the serial, okay, UART. Just select that, then Crossfire, okay, the LRS version. Select, then save. Okay, so it's built in, guys, with the version 3 point. So it's pretty easy to connect, guys. Just take your controller. Okay, so I'm upgraded with the module 3.3.1. Okay, so we will go to the Crossfire configuration, then select. Okay, then go to bind. Okay. Then second, guys, we must connect the battery 3 times, okay, for the bind procedure. So 1, 2, and 3, okay. Then next thing what we do, we must click the bind button on the remote controller to automatic bind, okay. Then you will hear the sound. It means it's connected, and you see the signal strength, guys, as you see. So successfully bind. No need to upgrade the EP2. Okay, so it's worked, guys. Okay, so let's fly a little bit indoor, okay, because it's windy outside. So we cannot try to fly on the outdoor, okay? So let's go, guys, and check inside. Super windy outside. That's why I will check a little bit inside, guys. Because the Mobile 8 is super light only. Okay, so I think it's worth it, guys, if you upgrade your external RX, okay? If happen that your Mobile 8 lost connection or RX loss, you can do also like what I did in my Mobile 8, guys, to install the external RX receiver. And if you want to upgrade also, you can check my description below for the EP2 receiver store, okay? So that's only, guys, the simple test for the day. Till next time again, see you in the next one. Bye bye.